In this video we are going to see how to add a valve at a node. Now let's say that we don't need a flange pair at node number 6, but we need a valve to be installed at node number 6. We can simply go in and edit and then delete fitting. It will ask if you'd like to delete the selected object. Click on yes. Or you could have simply hit delete button on your keyboard. Next we'll go on the right hand side and click on insert valve. Start Prof asks what is the length of this valve. Let's say the length of the valve is 300 millimeters and the weight of the valve is 0.5 kilonewtons. We'll click on OK and Start Prof adds a valve at node number 6. So that is how you add a valve in Start Prof.